Yo, what is up, guys? It was my birthday yesterday. I didn't film because it was shit weather, but we have some car parts and the battery on this GoPro is on 18%, so I'm going to quickly whack this on charge. I'm probably going to start on something, probably do the steering wheel, but yeah, you've seen me have it off before, so I film when the battery's like half decent charge. See you in a sec. What's up, guys? We are back on 54% on the battery, so yeah, I literally, all I got to do was put the, can't really see it, steering wheel in, so that's in. You've got a few other bits there. I've got my thingy on it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll pick something out of the box and then we'll start doing it. Alright, so I have a universal fitting battery tray which needs to go down there because mine didn't come with one. So I'm going to put them in like that, mock them up, get some self-tapping screws and put them in. Nope, nothing underneath, so I can literally just go. Alright, I'm back with self-tapping screws on a drill. Yes, but they're way too fucking small. I need some washers. I think I have some. Alright, got some big ass washer. That'll have to go there. So let's get this bitch on. Nice. I might cut this bolt down because, yeah, don't really care. And I'm bleeding. Fucking dickhead. Alright, I haven't got enough cable to put in my boot switch, so I'm going to keep that there for now. So it's there. Like there. Thinking like central like that. We also have a horn switch. So do I have him there or here? I don't know where is best place to have it because I don't actually have a horn yet. I have to wire it up myself because they fucked up the wiring behind here, and I've got an aftermarket thing, but it should work anyway. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna have a switch somewhere. Could be there, like that maybe. I think it's, don't know. I'm just gonna put this on a minute. Have him like that, I think.
Yo, how's it going? Shit. Tag that shit. What more I'd say?
Anyway,
right.
I'm changing these lights. Oh fuck! I broke the face off of it. Oh, the lights come out. The fuck! Just come out, you piece of shit. There you go.
Hey, fuck that.
Cool, and then same with this one. Cool. Alright, so got these bulbs here. If they fit.
These LEDs.
These will be LED, yeah. Alright, so got these pieces of shit. Now let's see if it fits. Let's make sure which way it is first. Alright, so the lights are in, but they won't stay in, guarantee it, because they're shit. They come as like flat-ended ones instead of a fucking fuck off, Alistair, you can't. Instead of a like pointed edge, so I didn't sit in it properly. But yeah, fuck it. I don't know what else I'm going to do, because I ain't got no power now, because they've gone. I don't know, fuck knows, I might try and put my top in properly. Or something.
Right.
What's the time?
Time's now what? 21 minutes past 7?
Yeah, so work on for a little bit more, and then, yeah, go from there, ready?
It's actually changed a lot. I ain't seen this for about a week now. How long have I not seen this for?
Probably about that.
Yeah, and it's changed a lot. Like, you've got the seat, steering wheel, hydro. It's lowered since I last seen it.
slowly getting there.
Yeah, it's alright actually. It's getting there.
I just want to drive it. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the car for today because it's getting late. I'm gonna take that home, drill some holes in it. Dickhead car. I just unlocked it. Let me just lock this up a minute. So we're gonna quickly back on his car. So let's proceed to your vehicle. Magicness.
Let's have a look at that. So,
Can't tell him what name it is, mind. That's the secret. Put it on the other way, so it's got no screen. It's blank white.
blank white. So,
Yep.
next to you.
Well, yeah, I was in passenger seat. Yeah.
So how does this work?
So first of all, we turn the heating off because I ain't dealing with that. Alright, you happy then?
Yep. I'm a happy chappy. One sec, come in.
Nah, don't worry about that shit, mate. Nah, I'm good. Keep that for your Nando's.
Alright. Promised?
Yeah, man. Alright, let's have a look at these needle sweep then, bro.
So,
Madness, madness.
mate.
What's the indicators like? So much cooler. People can tell it's you from a distance as well. You start indicating, they're like, shit, I only know Alistair and Aramis has got that. And it's grey, so.
Yeah, Danuka's gonna be watching this, I reckon. Because he's a little fucking pussy ass bitch.
You wanna start Biff? Boss Biff. Lad, you're gonna get me mad.
Oh shit, cool out.
He'll be like, oh, you got your car coded? Mine does a needle sweep automatically. Suck your mum.
You heard it here first. Suck your mum. Alright. What else you got? You got the chirpy chirp as well, haven't you?
Wait, would it?
No, it wouldn't do it when the key's in the ignition.
Wait, so how does this work?
Just lock the car.
And then if you...
Madness.
Oh, so you got to actually hold it?
You have to hold it down, yeah.
It's mad, right? You can tell it's smooth.
It's so much cooler.